In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the email address on your Notion account step by step. This is useful if you're switching jobs, moving to a new email, or just want to keep your Notion workspace better organized. The process is simple, but Notion hides this option inside your account settings, so if you don't know where to look, it can be confusing. I'll walk you through everything slowly so you can follow along without missing anything. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Notion account. You can do this on the desktop app or directly in your browser, and the steps are the same either way. Once you're logged in, go to the left sidebar and click on New Page. This step isn't about creating content, but it ensures your sidebar is visible and you're in the main Notion interface. From here, look at the top of your Notion window. You'll see your profile icon or initials, usually in the top corner. Click on that profile icon to open the account menu. When the menu opens, look for the option labeled with your account name or email. Click on it, and this will take you into your account settings. Inside the account settings, focus on the Personal Information section. Here, you'll see your current email address listed. Next to it, you should see an option that says Change Email. Go ahead and click on Change Email. Notion will now prompt you to enter a new email address. Carefully type in the new email address you want to use for your Notion account. Make sure there are no typos, because this email will be used for login and important notifications. After typing the new email, click to confirm or continue. At this point, Notion will send a verification email to the new address. Open your email inbox, find the message from Notion, and click the verification link inside it. This step is required to finalize the change. Once you've verified the new email, go back to Notion and refresh the page if needed. You should now see that your account email has been successfully updated. If you're using Notion across multiple devices, you may be asked to log in again using the new email address, so keep that in mind. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed the email address on your Notion account. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, software guides, and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.